In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Word from a specific page. Now we know that it's very easy to make page numbers from the first page and from the second page simply by pressing, if I go into the footer, if it will allow me, there we go. If you click on different first page, as you know, you can pretty much make it so the first page does not have a number and the second page does have it, okay? And that's very simple, of course. Now, what happens when you want to make the numbering or the numbers go from the third page on, or from the fourth page, fifth page, and etc. Okay, now that's not so simple. I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, in order for us to do this, you have to have first a document, of course, and then we will have to make a section break. Now, what you want to do is simply, let's say we want to start the numbering from the third page, okay? So this is the first page, and this is the second page over here, and that's the third one. So we want to start with 3, and then on pages 1 and 2, we don't want to have any numbers. And the way you do this is simply go to the very end of page 2 over here, and then you want to go up here to layout, and where it says breaks, click it, and under section breaks, click on next page. This will create a section break. If we go into home and then click this paragraph icon over here, as you can see, it's a section break over here, and we can't fully see it since it's at the very end of the site, but as you can see, there's something over here, and that's a section break, okay? Now, if I toggle this and then go back to my footer, as you can see, it now says this is footer section 1 over here, okay, section 1, and then from the second page onward, it's section 2, and that's exactly what we want. However, there's still one thing we have to do, and that is, as you can see over here, it says same as previous. We have to turn this off. So once you're inside the footer, you wanna, over here, go into header and footer, get located into the section 2, position yourself in here, and press link to previous up here, which will unlink it. As you can see, it doesn't say save the previous anymore, okay, same as previous anymore. So what you then want to do is simply go to the page you would like to start the numbering from. So in our case, we said the third page, which is, this is the first one, second one, and then the third one. You want to go to bottom, add in a page number. Let's say you want it in the middle of the page, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to close the header. And now, as you can see, if I zoom this out a little, the first page does not have a number, neither does the second. However, the numbering starts with the third page. It has a number 3, and then this one has a number 4, and if I were to create more pages, let me just spam the enter key, as you can see, they all have numbers from there on. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add page numbers in Word from a specific page.